People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.